want you to think about something as I take you on this visual journey. Materialism is maintenance, full-on maintenance. Whatever you have is starting to decay. It's starting to go away. It's starting to rot. It's starting to break down. And whatever you do, you're going to have to start fixing things certainly soon. And here I am, sitting on my friend's bathroom toilet as I'm pondering the maintenance of this room that I was going to stay in, but we discovered that it was falling apart due to mold and mice and leaking. And as I sit here on the throne, I'm thinking it's too much work to have things. It just really is.
Hey, Vern.
Hey! All right, welcome back, everyone. So where am I at today? So I'm in the mountains in Oregon, just outside of Newberg. And my friend's like, you ought to come up to my place. I need a little bit of help around there. And I have a project that I need to have some work done on. And you could stay in it. And so here's where we're at. So my friend has this camper home. And we just finished washing it on the outside. Nobody's been in it in 2 years. I'll take you inside. So as with anything, sitting for a long time, everything's gonna need work. So it's pretty good size in here, but the mice have been into the back. And so we're tearing all this apart in here around the bedroom where the walls were leaking and the mice were in there. You can see we haven't cleaned out this section yet, but yeah. And you put some new runners on the ceiling. That's where we're at. Just trying to get it to where it's usable again. So basically I'll vacuum all this out and doing some repair. Then I'll stay here for a little while, then I'll hit the road. I'm gonna do some traveling. I need to go to Ohio and see my mom, and then after that, I may go to the Philippines for a little bit and then go explore a little bit. I still haven't decided what I'm gonna do. It'd be nice to go back after being away from my place for a few months, just to make sure that everything is okay after the rainy season. And then I've got some places that I'd like to go. Try to find some places that are affordable. So that's it. And yeah, so we're in Oregon in the mountains outside Newberg. Cool. And it's cold. I'm really surprised how cold it is. It feels like it's about 65 degrees this morning, and it is the beginning of August. And I thought this was the hottest time, but for some reason, I'm not remembering this being this cold. But in any event, it is. And I'm still not acclimated to this climate yet, so. All right, in HillBillyville, this is how we hang our clothes. Gotta love it. 60 Cadillac, baby. There you go. Drawing the line. And I lived here for a couple years, and I'll never forget this hill. And this hill has kicked my little butt walking up and down this hill several times a day. Yeah. All right, check out this old car, you guys. It's got the wooden wheels. Look at that old gangster car. You like that? What does it say? S. What does the S stand for? Not sure. Look at the old plate glass. If you got into an accident with these, with the plate glass, you got really hurt if you didn't die. Look at that. Crazy, huh? All right, so what kind of car is this? Do you know? It is Studebaker.